So hello, back with you guys. Today we'll be taking kind of a break from the Minecraft side of my content and go on to challenge. So what the fuck is this? So I'm gonna try to win a round of rivals with only a pistol. So I don't know how it will go. Mobile player, I have a real chance. I don't have any sound, what the fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh. Let me just trash talk. No skill. No fucking skill, bro. Okay, yeah, I've made a tactical decision to I need those 2 coins. I know this. Took 60 damage from his ass. Ah. Yes! Ooh, baby. Bro, stop motherfucker using a pistol. Oh, his ass almost took. How the fuck did I not hit, bro? Yep, I'm dead. Unless I pull off a miracle, yeah, I'm dead. I took half of his hearts. Okay, I'm just gonna take this quietly. What's that? Oh my fucking god, this guy's pissing me off. Fuck you, bitch! Have to log the fucking. Cannot win this little kid. Not let this little kid win at me. I'm gonna rage quit. House trash. Trash. Oh my god, time to take out the trash. Oh. Wouldn't be funny if I literally killed him right there. Yes. Okay, yeah, I think people understand why I need to use a pistol for this one. Assault, he's an RPG player. And personally, you're not me. Fuck. Ah, shit. No skill. No, fuck it, rematch. Okay, no more pistol. Okay, this is to prove a point, right? You know, yeah, you guys want to, you know. Oh my god, stop writing fucking RPG, little bro. You're a, give back your mom. Give back your mom the phone. Oh my god. Oh, because he has auto shoot. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Little bro, he's a little British kid, my favorite kind. Use the most no-skill weapons. What the fuck? Oh, bro, take off the goddamn. Oh, bro, take off. Shit. What the fuck is it called? Ah, of course, RP. What? I call bullshit, bro. Are you dumb? How did it not kill him? What? Slap full ass mag into bro and then no, didn't do none. Oh my god, just get out my fucking game, bro. Should download Fortnite or some shit like that. Ah shit, my internet decided to fuck me up. Well, bro sees he's loose. Shit! Fuck! My keyboard blocked me. Stabella? What was that? He's cooking up something. Ah shit. Ah shit, that was a good hit. I'll admit that one. Oh wait, he's cooking up something. Huh? Oh. 20 damage. It leaves about 1 mag left for his ass. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, little kid. An absolute highlight, bro. Ah, shit, match. What the fuck is he doing? That's a good grenade. Yep, shit. I'm fucking dead. Unless you can. Oh, that's I completely whiff. Oh, yes! 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 Okay, I'm fucking playing this game. That was nice. Okay, you know what? 11 minutes is enough for a video, probably like 5 minutes. Have fun, take care, and see you next time.